Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install the HMA indicator. I'm Andrea, your automated trader. If you like what I do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the videos. So first of all, let's understand what this indicator is. To do that, let's open a chart, any chart, and add the indicator, which I have obviously already downloaded beforehand. Let's leave all the settings as they are. Okay, this indicator we're using has two colors. One is red and the other is light blue. We see a red color when the indicator is going down, while we see a light blue color when the indicator is going up. This HMA indicator is an indicator built using moving averages, but it is more responsive than a classic moving average. It follows the trend better because it filters out some of the noise. I use this indicator a lot instead of moving averages, especially in my expert advisors. So in almost all my expert advisors, I have filters or applications of this indicator. For this reason, today I will explain how to download it and add it to MetaTrader, so that if you want to use one of the expert advisors I use, you can do so. Because without this indicator, obviously you will get an error and the expert advisor won't work. So let's go to this MetaTrader that I just downloaded, where as you can see, our HMA indicator is not present among the indicators, and let's go download it. The first step is to go to the market. So let's open the MetaTrader market, go to Indicators, and click Search. In the search bar, we type HMA. Here, several indicators will appear, with different functionalities. The one I personally use is this one called Color HMA, which is completely free, so it doesn't cost anything at all, and I'm going to download it. I do it just like I would with any other. Downloading. Okay, it has been downloaded. At this point, the indicator by default has been placed in the market folder and is named HMA Color with alerts MT5. To be able to use it, I renamed it and placed it in another folder. So let's see how to do that. First, let's open the data folder, go to MQL5, and then go to indicators. There we have market. We take our indicator and cut it, and we put it directly into the indicators folder, so we place it here. The very last step that we need to do in this process is to rename it, so let's go ahead and give it this specific name, HMA. We will leave that part exactly as it is, unchanged, and then we will write the word indicator after it. At this point in the process, we can now close the market window, then go to the indicator section, and finally, we should refresh to make sure everything is updated properly. Now everything has opened up. And here we have our indicator directly in the indicators folder with the correct name, HMA indicator. So now let's open a chart and try to add it. For example, in this case, we've opened this chart, we add it, leave everything unchanged for now, and then you can modify it as you like. Okay, so we've downloaded the indicator, it works, and it's been added to the chart. So let's see if everything works by running a test with one of our experts. Let's choose one, for example, this one here, and leave the symbol unchanged. It's not important. Let's do a visual test. We can see that the indicator has been loaded by the program and it looks like everything is working. Just to be sure, let's go to the log. And let's read what happened, what our expert has done. Here, at this moment, we can see that everything has been loaded correctly, there are no errors, and here we have the line, this line here, that tells us the program has added the indicator successfully. So it has been loaded, and we don't have any problems.